Right, hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my Kawasaki Er6N. Today's video is going to be about my 2-year review and what I think about owning the bike after 2 years. Has it been a good bike? Has it not? Well, let's find out. So I'm going to give you a bit of stats first. In fact, I'm going to tell you where I am first. I'm up at Moss. There's the tower, if you can see it. Up on the hills, start of the Pennines. Beautiful up here. You're looking down towards Zone Firth and Huddersfield over there. Love it up here, great. It's a bit windy there, a little bit cold. But anyway, let's get on. So this is a liquid cooled double overhead cam 8-valve parallel twin engine. It's got fuel injection which delivers smooth responsive performance, especially in the low and medium rev ranges. I'll tell you what, it really does. When I'm doing about 30-40 miles an hour in and out of traffic, it does really well. Nice and smooth, nice and lightweight. It's great. It's got 6 gears with a maximum power of about 53 kilowatts, which to me and you 72 PS at 8,500 RPM. You know, the more you get through the rev range, it's more power you've got, picks it up. It's got a 16 litre fuel tank, this bad boy here. It's a bit higher than the older one. It's got a quick moving engine with stronger low to mid range. Yeah, I found that the more 1000cc bikes you've got now, you know, the rev range and the more power is up at the top end, 10,000 sort of plus. So this is great, especially at the lower end of the rev range. And let me tell you as well, it packs a punch with a sharper tail cowl than previous models. I think it looks a bit sportier, to be honest with you. It's got this more of an angled look to it, apart from this license plate, which is a bit big, but I'm not taking it off. I'm just going to leave it there. It's got a new swing arm, if you can see here. It's got the double swing arm pipes, if you can see that. And it's lightweight, helping for a better handling bike. Trust me, it is. You could turn this thing on a penny. Actually, it's great for turning around in circles. You get a bigger bike and you struggle to sort of get around, you know, but this one, great. I could keep doing a roundabout all day long on this one. The original windshield on this one was a bit too small. The original windshield only went to about here. Any little silly thing, I didn't like it. Didn't like the look of it, so I thought I'd put the Puig windscreen on this. And the Puig just gives it a bit of a beefier look on front end. That's my personal opinion anyway. So let's have a quick look around it. And we're going to take it for a ride. It's a bit windy up here today, isn't it? I don't know if you can hear it, it's horrible. Yeah, what a great bike. Right, okay, we're going to take it for a ride. Okay guys, welcome back. It's got a bit darker in out, sun's gone in. Keeps having a lot of rain, still cold, but we're digging in, we're carrying on. So one of the other things that I want to talk about with this bike, which is probably the main, if not the second big selling point for me, was just how comfy this bike is. As you don't know, but I'm a bigger guy, especially around middle. I'm not skinny. I'm not middle either, I'm a bit bigger than your average person, and I was looking for more of an upright position bike. I didn't want to be killed into a little sport bike, because that wasn't really for me. I was looking for more for comfort, in all honesty. So when I was looking around, I looked at quite a lot of bikes. I just felt this one was the best when I sat on it. I also did my test on this bike, and I wasn't biased because I did my test on it that I just bought it. I actually really enjoyed riding it as well. I found it easy bobbing in and around. As you can see, if you look, I don't know if you can see, but if you look down, I can really grab hold of the tank with my legs and really pull this bike around. It's awesome. I'm going to scare these people now. Let's get past them. So yeah, I can really throw this bike around corners especially. It's great. And with it being lightweight, it's a really light bike. It can handle really well. I can literally I can do round circles non-stop for ages. It's great, it's perfect for that. So yeah, back to comfiness. This bike's definitely more of an upright position. When I'm sat on here, you know, my arms are straight. I'm not bent in. My legs are kind of more of a 90-degree angle rather than, you know, bent angle. I just feel like I'm sat on top of the bike, but because I can grab it with my knees, I feel like, you know, I can handle it quite well. Because sometimes when you sat on top of a bike, you just sat on top of it and it's riding you. But it's not the case in it, you know. I've got good grip. It feels great. So that's mainly one of the reasons for me for buying this bike. But yeah, it's getting windy now. Put my visor down so if you can hear me better. The second reason, really, number two, uno, due, two, was price. Actually, believe it or not, it's really cheap to buy and it's really cheap to run. What's this guy doing? He's coming this way. I'll get out of the way. Bit of a random place to be pulling around. So this is a 2016 model. I bought this with 12,000 miles on it. I think I've got 16 on it at the moment, 16,200. So I've done a few miles, not loads, and I only paid I think I paid about 3,800 for this bike, which to me is an absolute bargain. A 16 plate. It's only 4 years old. It's not even 4 years old properly yet. So it's quite a new bike, you know. Everything's nothing's rusted on it. All the bolts are still in good condition. You know, I've kept up with oiling it and changing filters and whatnot. I haven't really had any issues at all, and because of that, it's been really beneficial for me on the pocket. You know, I've not had to change the chain, sprockets or anything yet. That'll come up. I think my brakes, my back pads at the moment are ready for doing, so that's going to cost me, but not a lot. Insurance was a big one when it came down to cost. I originally looked at the Kawasaki 1000 SX, and to purchase that bike would have been minimum 6-7 grand, a used one, and then it'd probably cost me 700 plus for insurance. I could afford it, but I just felt for the money that I had at the time, it was just a little bit too much, you know. So I had a car on finance and whatnot as well. So literally this one just ticked all boxes. You know, it's comfy, it's affordable. My first year of insurance on this was this bloody hell, this road's a bit atrocious. Look at all the holes in this road. What's going on? I'm gonna take it easy. So first year I think I paid About £250 my insurance for first year on this. I'd only just passed my A1 test as well. So I didn't think that was bad. Like I say, if I'd have gone on to 1000 SX, that'd have been 700 quid plus fully comp. So that'd have covered me, but £250, so much better. The second year on this bike, sorry, I'm just trying to get around all these bloody potholes everywhere, van in middle of the road and everything. What's going on? So my second year insurance on this bike, and I got 3 points on my car licence, so I had to declare them, but I paid just under £200. It's pocket change, chump change, it's nothing. I'm really happy with that. I think that's great. So affordability for me was the biggest, well, the second biggest selling point, other than, you know, being comfy on it, being able to get around. Now my mate has bought a GSX 650 at the same time as me, and the bike is quite a lot heavier than this. He's got an older one and it's really bottom end heavy. When he goes around the corner, he really has to work to sort of take the corner. Without on this, it's really flexible. I just lean a little bit and off it goes. It's perfect. So yeah, that was number one, comfiness, easy to ride, and the third were finances. If you're like me, you're a bit of a bigger guy, this bike's absolutely perfect for you. Now I'm 5'11", and my, pull over so you can see, my foot touches the floor. Can you see that? My foot's on the floor, perfect. I can lay it flat, so you know, I think it's a good all-round bike. I think it's a great beginner bike as well, with it being so cheap. You know, and it packs a punch. It's got a little bit of power. It's great fun. Right, okay, we're going to take another run out on this, and then we're going to stop and we're going to have another chat. Okay, thank you. Right, okay guys, I think that's the end of that twisty road there. I didn't really know them bends that well, so probably approached them not as I should, but hey, it does the trick, this bike. It gets them round. I just want to say thank you for watching my video. I want you to like and subscribe if you think it was great. If you didn't like it, dislike it, whatever you want to do. I've got some more videos coming up very shortly. Hopefully I've got a new bike coming up very shortly as well. In the comments section there's going to be some links to follow. There's going to be a Facebook group to follow as well. There's nobody in it yet. It's brand new. This channel's brand new. All the socials are brand new as well, so if you want to give them a like and a follow, I'd be really appreciative. And alright pal, and like I said before, thank you for tuning in, and peace.